Hello everyone, welcome to Sanyog Technologies. I'm Prince Jan, and today we are glad to launch our second product, that is solar energy detection filter, or we call it the Serf. Observation of the sun requires an energy reduction filter which helps in reducing the sun's intensity so that one can able to observe the surface of the sun. It is always placed at the front of the telescope from the point where light enters the scope.
Serf is specially made to fulfill the task of energy reduction. There are two major advantages of the Serf. First is, one can easily change the base of the filter assembly, which helps to cover a wide range of telescope for the same filter. This means you don't need to change your solar filter every time you bought a telescope, or we can say one solar filter for multiple scopes. We have three bases which covers from 38 mm outer diameter to 202 mm outer diameter of telescope. Here base 1 covers from 38 mm to 112 mm of outer diameter of scope. Base 2 covers from 88 mm to 168 mm outer diameter of the scope, and base 3 covers from 128 mm to 202 mm outer diameter of the scope. As you can see, we can easily change the base with the help of these 4 bolts and with an adequate L key which we provide along with it. These 3 bases together cover almost all telescopes of aperture up to 6 inches. Second advantage of Serf is you can also change the filter installed in the Serf to view the sun in different spectrums. Here we used 1000 Oak C certified Solarite filter which gives you a yellowish orange view of the sun. You can also order a better filter from us as well, with an additional cost if you want to see the sun through a better filter which provides you a real color of the sun, that is white. As you can see, we can easily change the filter with these 2 bolts above and an L key provided. Do not try to change the filter on going observation, as this may lead to harm your eyes and electronic equipments. Always change the filter when your telescope is not focused on the sun, or make sure your telescope is looking somewhere else.
Everyone is concerned about the safety of the filter. So to ensure a protective view of the sun, 2 major tests that we perform here to show you the reality and the safety of the filter so that you can use it with an ease.
First one is slipping. One must be concerned about the grabbing power of the filter so that it holds the OTA without any slipping. Here we use base 2 which have a range from 88 mm to 168 mm, and we have an old telescope of 60 mm with a cap of about 90 mm. After tightening the bolts accordingly, let's see the result. Here, as you can see, no slipping at all. I also show you the same base tightened around 80 mm telescope with a cap of about 128 mm of outer diameter. And here's the result. As you can see, it's tightened around very perfectly and also shows the wide range that base 2 covers. Second test is the actual performance, is showing you the view of the sun through the Serf via eyepiece. Remember one thing, don't use finder scope to find the sun. Remove it before going to view the sun unless you have an energy reduction filter for your finder scope as well. And here's the result. Sun is quite a big target and you can easily able to track the sun via hit and trial method, or you can search on YouTube how to locate the sun via telescope, which usually involves a shadow method.
So that's it for today. You can inquire about the prices from the number flashing on the screen. We really make it cost effective and pocket friendly for everyone. Or you can visit our website www.sanyogtech.in to get the more details on the product. Thanks for watching.